Look at all of this. Look, guys, look. And this is just the beginning. Under here we have all sort of stuff, guys. All sort of stuff. I don't even know where to start, but I can tell you that God is good. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So in today's video I will be doing a replay or a rerun or whatever you want to call it of the barrel videos. So guys, I'm just putting the two videos in one, showing you how it all started, and showing you when we went to the wharf to pick up the barrels. So here Mr. Mannix is just taking the plastic barrel in. Yes, guys, and we did pack 3 barrels. We packed a plastic one and 2 paper barrels. The next time, guys, we will definitely pack 3 plastic barrels, like most of you said in the comments. And thank you for watching the videos, guys, and for commenting and all of that. We appreciate it. So here, just showing you some of the stuff that was packed in the barrel. Yes, guys. So over there, guys, we have some condensed milk and evaporated milk. We also have some laundry detergent here, some fabric softener, some floor cleaner, dishwashing liquid, facial tissue. Yes, guys, some juice down there, and I love these juice, guys. They were so delicious. We also have some cereals for the kids. Yep, some canned goods, toothpaste over there, oil, granola mix, peanut butter, yep, toilet paper, and paper towel. Yes, guys, so these are some of the items that will be going in the barrel. So just sit back, relax, put your feet up, have a glass of wine or some juice or maybe a cup of tea wherever you are, and enjoy the music and enjoy the video. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today is like a couple days after we went to the wharf. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little info about going to the wharf. Maya, put your candy in your mouth and don't bite it. Anyway, so as the title says, that we shipped barrels from the US to Jamaica, and we have never been in the US. How do we do it? Stay
stay tuned for that. I'm a bit hoarse, guys, because I came down with a little fresh cold. However, so big up to Mannix Robinson and his family. Yeah, guys. So this is a story. I'm not going to take up too long because I need for you guys to see the video of when we were at the wharf and all of that. We met on YouTube, guys, and I'm telling you, watching his channel, and that he did like he have experience in shipping barrels and stuff. So one day, me and my husband, we asked if it would be possible if he could do something like that for us, like us sending him the money, and then he would use it and pack barrels for us. And guys, let me tell you, he was so he didn't if and buts or anything like that. He said no problem, just like that, no problem, guys. So he decided to do that for us. So he spoke with his partner, and she's a great person, I'm telling you. She said go ahead. Go ahead, guys. So they went ahead and he asked for us to send him a list, a food list, and he started shopping just like that.
In Montego Bay. So we're going to the walk today, guys.
Yeah.
So we're at the
So me know you more see myself too.
oh,
That's
okay,
why.
so we are at the shipping agency. It's not open as yet. We are early. It's an early bird catches the most worm. So we're actually using Summit Import, waiting on them to be open. Don't know if Junior is the one going into the walk actually. So I don't know if he can do any video in there. I don't know. Maybe some good clip, because probably they don't want any videos to be done. But if we can, we'll show you. Guys, so the office is now open, but not to the public as yet. The employers they just arrived actually. We have about 29 minutes left before we go in. So we have more people here now, guys. Okay, guys, so Junior is now inside. So we'll be getting through shortly. He's ready. Can you see him? He's right over there. I was in there, but the AC was acting up on my sinus, so I came out. My sinus is acting up. So when we leave from here, we're going down by the wharf to pick up the barrels. Yeah, I think so. What's going? So now we're here. We are under the tent. We are waiting. Morning. Ricky. So Junior is down by the wharf. We left him down there. He's not inside. So me and my sister-in-law are here. Yeah. We're going by Payless. We're going shopping.
Going to spend some money.
To spend some money.
Ladies do best. I think this is our turn.
So you're coming with us, guys. Police are on the road doing their work. There, where's Fontana?
Right down there, just a little bit.
Fontana down there, guys. So we're on a tour.
Lloyd's over there.
Mm-hmm. What's up down here, Scotia? Scotia Bar?
I think it's Sagicor.
Sagicor, okay. But here they have drive-through too.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then we have a Wendy's, Party Place, our flow office.
Wendy's over there, guys. And yes, you can hear the bike on the road. So if you want your Wendy's, guys, you come here to Miss Wendy and she will give it to you. That's not weird, not true.
Sure. Sir, I don't know if you're gonna go in that parking, but I would love that parking. But unfortunately, you just
Dominoes.
doing your thing.
So we'll see you guys when we reach on the inside.
Oh, no, this place.
But you have something that is not true.
Similar. It's quite similar. But this don't even look like this is a 9. It's too big.
What size must be 8?
8 is in there. Then become a second panel.
And so now we left Payless. We're in Juicy. Getting something to eat. We're hungry. I don't know guys, the customer service down here is really
When you can't take time with the work of them though. When you can't take time with the work of them though. Respect the work of them though. Just respect them though. Just respect them.
So now guys, we got our patty. And we're eating. Cheers. Okay guys, so wow. We're back home. We are back home.
Yeah.
Do not even change his shirt already. He was sweating like crazy and tired. And
This is popcorn. Look
yes,
in
guys.
there.
We're just opening the barrel. This is one.
But guess what, guys? This barrel burst. That one burst. We lost some stuff, but thank God it wasn't. Let me turn around the camera. Okay, as I was saying, we lost some stuff, but thank God it wasn't more. These are all the stuff that we took out of the barrel so far. What we lost is some of the like lotion and body wash and one of the Axion the bleach, the Comet burst. But apart from that, we're grateful that it's not more. So yes guys, what happened is that we pack barrels from Jamaica in America. That's so weird. We stayed in Jamaica and we packed barrels, guys. Yep, that's what we did. Look at that. Yeah, because those were in the middle. What happened, guys? When they were taking the thing, when they were putting the thing in the van, that's what happened.
One of the bottom fell out.
One of the bottom fell out, so the stuff them went down too much under the weight.
Something burst in it and softened the bottom of the barrel. So you just steer out.
Yeah, so but it's okay. It's all good. It's better to lose 4 than lose all of it. So we have to thank God anyways, you know.
Listen, this is
We gotta give thanks. Sorry baby, sorry. So we're gonna sort out these things, guys. Put them up, take them out of a barrel, sort them out, and then I will show you. Go Maya. Just so help here, Maya. Walk experience. Junior was the one that went into the walk. So tell the experience. How was it?
Our persons complain about WAF, but I have no idea what they complain about. I went in, I go in, do what I'm supposed to do, grab my barrel and get out. It was that
hard.
simple. No headache, no stress, nothing at all. I just go in and come out.
Get in and get out.
Yes, simple as that. I was expecting a lot of headache and a lot of stress and a lot of weight around. Nothing like that.
And the import companies, which is Simit Import, awesome. We had no problem with them. They opened at 8, and when they opened, we went in, we did our thing, and we get out. It was easy. It was quick. So yes, guys, the experience at the wharf for the first time was an awesome one. So don't take everybody's story and say, oh, can't bother with the wharf thing because it's hard and you know, no, not everybody experiences the same. We may have, probably our day today was a lucky one. I don't know. So, but, however, it was a good experience and we were so grateful. We went early though. We went there very early. So that was also good because we went early. So you know you go quick, you get through quick.
Early bird catches the mouse.
Early bird catches the mouse. Yeah. So now what we're doing, guys, is just packing out this stuff. I'm gonna show you guys, but right now I'm overwhelmed. Let me tell you something on a serious note. I know that other people have family members overseas, right? And people always complain and say, oh, family member not sending barrel for me or not packing barrel for me. Guys, let me tell you something. You see, if you can use your money and you have a family member over there where you can ask a family member to pack a barrel or two for you and the family member is willing to do that, trust me, do it. Now tell yourself, blessing there for you and your family. Well, blessing are there for you guys. Because Junior packing it out right now, guys, and it's difficult. And when we were coming down, I think it was three men, Junior and two young men. And the barrel to take it down from up the road in the yard, guys. May I tell you, them have to basically roll the barrel.
You couldn't lift it.
They couldn't lift it. It well packed. So, you see Snickers?
Yeah, sit down there.
The barrel well packed, guys. I know Junior still the empty barrel. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, put them in the freezer.
Put them in the freezer and doing something.
Smush out.
Snickers. No problem, you can still eat. My Snickers. I was looking for these and they're there. Guys, look at that. Let me flip the camera. Guys, God is good. Yeah, I want to just take them out and then we can pack them back without anything burst up on something. Look at that, guys.
What is this?
It's Capri Sun.
Oh, I like Capri Sun.
And then look over on this side, guys. So we have stuff all over the place. All over. All over. And Junior said he's tired because he have to rest. And let me show you some personal care items. And then over here are some personal care items. We lost a few in the process, which I told you before. But it's all good. If I didn't tell you, I think I did, I'm not sure. Well, we lost a few, but it's okay. There's some more in here. Some more in here. When I say lost a few, I mean a few of them burst and leak out. But it's okay. Thank God that all of them didn't burst and leak out. And then over here is another seal barrel. Guys, I don't even know when this one going to pull out, you know. I don't even know when this one going to empty because right now I'm tired. I'm tired. But we're going to pull this, empty this one. Put it on the floor over here. So you can see. You alright?
No, I'm tired.
You're tired?
I wonder how the gentleman do this.
You're tired, eh? Can't even see you.
I'm tired. I still have one barrel to go through. I just want to go sleep.
Alright guys, so we're going to end the video right here.
And pick up further on.
No, do not pick up more further on. This is it. The end the video. Oh yeah, I'll show after we empty the third barrel. I'll show you guys.
Hello.
The amount of stuff.
Just the amount of stuff.
Yeah.
You know, and then oh Lord, what am I saying? I'm tired.
Look all this.
But anyway, thank you guys for coming with us to the wharf. Even though you didn't get to go inside.
Thank you guys for watching.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you for subscribing.
You're so loud. Yes, guys. Thank you. Have a blessed day.